Hey guys, so welcome to another unboxing video of my wishlist variegated plants. So check out this video. Right now here we've got the big parcel, and guess what is the plants inside this parcel. So let's start to unbox it. We'll begin from the top. Bismillah. I can't wait to see whether the plants are still healthy and if there are any injuries to the leaf or damage or defects on the leaf. I'll tell you in this video. But the journey where I bought this plant from the Thailand, it only reaches my places, which is in Malaysia, within 2 days around. 2 days only, because I live near the border of the Malaysia Thailand. Open this is the cable tie. Let me skip this. And the seller put the cable tie at the bottom of the basket, and I have cut it. The seller put 2 of the cable ties at the tip of the pot, and then now I can pull the plants from the basket, and then you can see this is a big noise variegated philodendrons, which is Philodendrons caramel marbles. And I'll put the sample of the mature plants here so that you can see a better so let's open this pot using the sphagnum mosses to wrap it around it, and then and then this is the review of this plant. This is the top cut variegated philodendrons from Thailand, the newest leaf emergence. This is the shoot, the new shoot. And I think that's all for this time unboxing video. Check out another unboxing video coming in 2 days. It is about thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.